Welcome to the wonderful world of animals and nature. Let's explore and discover amazing facts together. Ready? Get ready for your first question. What is the largest land animal on Earth? Let's see if you know. Awesome, here comes the second question. Which ocean is home to the Great Barrier Reef? Think you can answer? Great going. Now for the third question. Which bear is native to China and is known for eating bamboo? Can you guess? You're doing fantastic. Let's dive into the final question. What makes flamingos their signature pink color? Take a guess.